What if I told you can start your own web agency business with small amount of investment on WPRemote? With WPRemote, you can offer your clients web management services like backup for WordPress, security for WordPress, staging for WordPress, safe updates, and delivering the client report on autopilot. Hey guys, Rana here, and today's video I'll show you guys how top web agencies earn recurring passive income every single month just by providing the web management services. If you're interested in learning this, stick around till the end because you will learn how to generate pure passive income just by providing the web management services to your existing client or any businesses that has WordPress website. So without wasting more time, let's jump right in. Before we move on, I would like to introduce you with today's video sponsor WPRemote.io. If you want to make your brand stand out and earn trust fast, PR Boost gets your business featured on top news sites like Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, giving you the powerful as seen on badge. Displaying these trusted media logos on your website instantly boosts visitor confidence, showing you are credible and established brand. It's a simple and effective way to increase the conversion and grow your business. Start building your brand's credibility today with PR Boost, link in the video description. And now let's proceed with the video. Alright guys, so this is the website that's gonna help us to launch our first web agency business on autopilot, as well as it can help you to scale your existing agency on autopilot. With WPRemote, you can manage thousands of websites within a minute. You can offer better services and charge higher prices. Let me explain you a little bit more. If you go to pricing, and here you can see they have created several plans: Basic, Plus, and Pro. You can get these plans for 5 sites, 20 sites, 50 or 100. Let's say you are planning to offer web management services on your existing WordPress site. Then what you need to do is you come to this site, WPRemote, and choose the package that fits with your budget and aligns with your goal. Let's say you want to start with basic plan, which is $29 per month. If you go yearly plan, you can see you can get this for only $299. You can always test things out first. If you see the results coming in, you can always come to the site and buy more packages for your different clients. Let's say you buy this package, basic package. What you're gonna do is you're gonna offer your client these services and ask their WordPress dashboard credentials and let them know that we do not store their credentials in our database. They can always change their password once you fully set up their site. So let me show you another example. If I go to home page, if I scroll down, you can see Mark and Billy, founder and CEO of setmysite.com. This is their site. If I show you, on their site, they offer web management services. If you go to pricing, you can see they have created 3 different plans: Upkeep, Webmaster, and Advanced. On these plans, you can see they offer different types of web management services. If you click on View Pricing, you can scroll down and you can see they charge $129 only for these kind of services that you can get from WPRemote with cheapest price. So buy the cheapest package and sell it on higher price like they do. Understood? Okay, so let me show you what to do next when you buy any package from WPRemote. So let me close this tab. So first thing first, you have to create an account. Click on sign up and create your account by filling the simple sign up form, or you can log in with Google account. I already have account, I'm gonna log in. Let's click on sign in, building dashboard. Alright guys, so you can see I have only added 1 site on this account. I bought 1 site package on this account. If I had purchased 5 site or 20 site package, I can add more just by clicking on the add site button. Basically, first thing you do is you add your client site over here, like type the domain name and then click on continue. So in my case, it asked me to upgrade my plan because I don't have more than 1 site plan. If I want to add more sites, I need to upgrade my account. But in your case, you will be prompted with this kind of box where you need to add the credential of your WordPress site of your client, or you can download or install this plugin manually just by downloading the plugin. Once the plugin installed and activated on your client side, you can ask your client they can reset their WordPress dashboard password for their satisfaction, or just let them know that you do not store their website credentials in your database. So once these things done, you can come to the dashboard, and here you can manage your client's website from this dashboard. Here you can see how many plugins they have installed, how many themes they have installed, what is the WordPress version, and all things. You can see directly over here. You can update their plugins, themes just by checking this box. It will select all of them and click on update. It will update all of them automatically. In the right side, you will receive all the notifications what's going on your site. This site has been hacked 21 days ago, and with WPRemote, they have cleaned the site automatically. You don't have to do anything, and your customer will be happy because of this great security system created by WPRemote. Now, if I go here 9 days ago, this says we have detected vulnerable themes/plugin in your site. If you click here, you can see it says your site is clean now. You don't have to do anything. They do everything for you on autopilot. Just buy the package from WPRemote and set up on your client's website. Let's go to the dashboard and let me show you a few of the things that you can do with WPRemote. With WPRemote, you can provide backup for your client's website. You can add the security like I mentioned before. You can create a staging site as well. I've created this site on October 16, 2025. As you can see, if you do not know what is staging site, well, staging site helped your clients to test new plugins, themes, and any kind of changes before applying on their original site. It's kind of copy of your original site to test things out. Right side, you can send reports to your client directly if there anything goes wrong or regarding any update. Below you can see the firewall protection and uptime monitoring. Below you can see the performance of this site. Load time, you can also see the load time over here. In the left hand side, you can see the total sites you have. I have this site as well. If I click on the install button, here you can see this is the thing that I've talking about earlier. Here you have to ask your client their WordPress admin username and password and let them know that you do not store their username and password in your database, or you can install this plugin directly from here. Once everything is done, your site will be up and running. We have two sites here. You can see the status connected. One is connected, one is disconnected. And here you will see total number of clients. You can add more just by clicking here. Just type the name of your client, email, company name, first name, last name, and assign your client just by checking their domain name and click save. And this way you can assign your client on their site. Okay, here you can see the team members, how many auto updates. You can schedule them as well from here, or you can send them report just by clicking here. The report can also be sent automatically. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard and let me show you one more thing. If you go to sites over here, you can see the total number of sites. One is connected, one is not. And here you will see the security enable option, backup enable option, site is up, staging sites available, and how many plugins and themes are available to update. And here you can access your WP admin dashboard directly just by clicking here. And this is the start for fresh sync button. It will sync the information from your existing WP site with WPRemote. And you can also see the site history from here. If you click here, you can see the more detail regarding your site, like your performance. Currently, it says page size is 92.5 kilobyte and total time 1.9 second. Load time, this is page load time, and request count is 8. You can disable this feature if you want slow performance of your site, but I don't think you want to do that. Next, in the left hand side, you can see the PHP version, plan you have, and tags. Below you can see the similar information like what is the version of the WordPress, how many plugins are active or deactive, and total number of themes, name of the theme, and how many user and admin available on your site, so on and so forth. Right side, you can see the similar information like how many plugins you have, themes, WordPress, and your backup that you can restore just by clicking here. Or you can migrate your site from one host to another host. It means from one hosting to another hosting. And you can check out the detail if by clicking on the detail button. Here you can see the total size of your backup, total table. If you want to restore your site, just click here, restore site, select the backup date, just select here and click confirm. It will back up your site automatically. Let's go back. You can back up your existing site just by clicking on the backup button. And here you will see few other options like migrate, auto restore, upload to Dropbox, which is cloud, and download backup. You can even download a backup and save it on your computer, and you can test restore as well before restoring your site. Real-time update, you can enable this if you want real-time update. That's pretty much it from here. If you go back here, sites, and click here, and you can see we have the security and firewall, which says site is clean now and protected with firewall. You can view your security just by clicking here. You can see the similar option is display over here. Your site is clean now. So that's pretty much it. It is kind of very easy to use. Just purchase the plan from WPRemote and sell it on higher prices and start your own web agency business with low amount of investment. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.